to share Wi-Fi passwords with QR code on iPhone. iOS 18 has introduced a convenient feature in the Passwords app that lets you share Wi-Fi passwords using QR codes when other sharing ways aren't available, or when you need to share the network details with different people. By utilizing a QR code, not only can you share the Wi-Fi password with multiple people concurrently, but you can share it with people who aren't in your contacts. However, even share it with Android users who don't have the benefit of AirDrop. Here's a step-by-step guide for you. Open the Passwords app, tap the Wi-Fi card, select the Wi-Fi network you wish to share, tap Show Network QR Code. Now, all you're required to do is allow the other person to use their phone's camera to read the QR code and receive the network name and password. Noteworthy, the QR code feature only works for Wi-Fi passwords, not regular passwords.